Welcome back. I'm Torchy and today we will be building your skills on data. Before we collect data, we need to identify a statistical question. What is that, you may be asking? A statistical question is one that will have a variety of different responses.
Let's look at two different questions. One is statistical and one is not. What video games do third graders like to play? Do you like to play the video game Fishhook? One question gives us just one answer. It does not vary or is different. It is not statistical. The other question gives us multiple, different answers. It is a collection of data. This is statistical.
Let's now collect data. We asked 7 third graders what types of video games they play, and 2 said Fish Blocks, 3 said StarCraft, and another 2 students said Fishhook.
Now that you have your data, let's create a pictograph. The controller that we'll use for the pictograph represents 1 third grader. Sometimes the icon in the pictograph will represent 2 or 3, so be careful.
Since 2 students said Fish Blocks, we'll add 2 controllers next to Fish Blocks to represent the 2 students. 3 said StarCraft, so we'll add 3 controllers next to it. And lastly, 2 students said Fishhook, so we'll add 2 controllers next to it. And we're done.
Time for some observations. I noticed that the shape of the pictograph is longer in the middle. That's because the middle category, StarCraft, was the most popular.
That's right. One more student likes to play StarCraft compared to Fish Blocks and Fishhook. We also could have used this data to create a bar graph. I love that we have many ways to represent data.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing.